People like Shatta Wale and everything, they have brought music to the mainstream. Okay, there's only one thing that is left: how to control the streamlines, how to be able to create residual income and royalties out of our own copyrights, meaning that we're owning our masters to gain royalties from it, which is very important because 100 years from now, if they hear Shatta Wale's voice, they should pay for it. It's not for free. You know,
and that brings me to Shatta Wale. So royalties, what are we doing about Gambro? Was Cosga before? What is your take on all these royalties?
Well, you know, I'm one person that I've been talking about this for so many years now, and this time I think my colleagues are beginning to realize that we need that. So I'm talking to like everybody, for us to come together so we can.
Who are you talking to? I heard Hammer last week is coming out very vociferous about it. That look, let's look at the leadership. Let's get musicians to earn some income and some royalties. Will you be running for Gambo president if the music or musical president? Have you considered that?
Well, I would say I have certain colleagues in this industry who I feel like have that, position.
Like who?
Oh, like someone like Sarkodie can, be there. Why people are?
Oh, so you support Sarkodie?
I don't like where Kobe J is standing. Like but I feel Obo has been pregnant for 20 years. But I feel people like Sarkodie, I bear them, because we all went.
What about D Black?
Yeah, D Black is also like some type of person that we can say can
Ochame Kwame.
Yeah, like Ochame Kwame.
What about Yapuno?
Yapuno, they at least Zoom Lion. Charlie, that's not for the game, man. Yeah. All I'm just saying is that most of us went to school, but not all of us got those grades. So I watch certain colleagues like Stonebwoy like this.
Right.
He can take that position.
Stonebwoy.
Yes.
So you support Stonebwoy any day if he declares that I want to be music or Gambro president or CEO?
For the betterment of Ghana music, I believe we have qualities in certain artists that they themselves don't know. So I believe in a waking call. Like let us wake them up and let them know that.
Okay. On this video, yes. But guys, thank you very much. You had everything. Thank you very much. Before we go quickly, yes, your final words. Yes, Shatta and then move to Stone and then check.
All how you see the VGM?
Well, I think it was so buggish and so nonsense. How do you see it?
You can see it clear.
So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, guys, thank you. First time, take it away. The news is coming up.
The news is coming up.
That's right.
The news is coming up now. Thank you so much for listening.
Boy,
Guess who's walking in?
yeah, guess who's walking in? First time.
So the only thing
Stonebwoy.
Yes.
Stonebwoy, in your absence, he has endorsed you as possibly someone who can take over Gambro.
Yeah, Gambro president.
What do you say to that?
Yeah. The pressure they cook for me. Don't do that. These men say. No, but you have the politics. Don't make nobody like you.
No, we all have it.
Yeah, we have it. No, but you see, the reason why I'm saying this is that this is a brother that people think, we know they listen to each other. He listens to my song, I listen to his song.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Your favorite Stonebwoy song will be what?
Bafia.
Bafia. Your favorite Shatta Wale song is? Which one?
Manko actually, like his dad. Okay, so we're in London.
Yes. Drop this exclusive. Let's talk.
So we're in London.
2016 or 17.
Somebody say, hey, what are they? See, me and Shatta, our teams be exclusive pay-per-view.
Yes.
like you make mistake. Like if I'm like I'm for hide. If you ask me, go talk. If you ask me, I go talk. But together, it be paper. No, but honestly,
No, you did that. You spoke to Stonebwoy Dad.
Yeah, I spoke to his dad, and the dad was like, his favorite song was Kakai.
I remember.
Yeah,
It was
you
his
know.
ringtone as
Yeah.
well.
No, me myself, I like
Him himself,
I know say man be my auntie.
Oh, okay. But thank you, the two of you for blessing Ghana music. Quickly, we know we have to run
All
over
right.
time. Yes, for the news. But tell me,
My God.
VGMAs, are you guys in there?
Are we in there?
They are going to take 2.
Thank you very much for my birthday to see the two of you.
Yeah,
It means a lot. It means a lot. To see Cheddar as well.
But
Yes.
before we go,
Yes.
I just want to say, me and Stonebwoy came here purposely to give you
Wow.
a $60,000. His is 30, mine is 30.
Wow.
You manage, you know, you just one drop every year.
No, I make people know. Make her
So you got $60,000.
Make her 2K. You see, no man, we don't like shows. We have to They say no, they say
Cheddar says he's stopping up.
wow.
Okay. On this video. Yes. But guys, thank you very much. You had everything. Thank you very much. Before we go quickly, yes, your final words. Yes, Shatta and then move to Stone and then Cheddar.
All
How you see the VGM, you know?
well, I think that it was so buggish and so nonsense. How do you see it? How do you see it?
You see it clear.
So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys, thank you. First time, take it away. The news is coming up.
The news is
Thank
coming
you.
up.
That's right.
The news is coming up now. Thank you so much for listening.